We're at North County Indian in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2016 Indian Scout in Thunder Black Smoke. These are extremely fun motorcycles, really light, really nimble. This one has nice chrome detailing on the engine and exhaust. We have adjustable suspension on the rear, solo seat with the matching saddlebags. And they are on a clip system, so they are really easy to open. Good storage inside. Key is located on the side right here. And miles are 1,065. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.